Ever wondered how to get rich in 30 days? Well, it's a provocative question that certainly grabs attention, but it's also important to keep our feet firmly planted on the ground. The truth is, building substantial wealth tends to take time, effort, and smart financial planning. So, while significant wealth accumulation might not happen in a month, there are certainly steps you can take to improve your financial situation. First and foremost, set clear financial goals. Are you aiming to save for a house, start a business, or invest in stocks? Having tangible objectives provides a roadmap for your financial journey. Next, create a budget. Keep a keen eye on your income and expenses. Stick to a budget that allows you to save and invest. After all, you can't manage what you don't measure. Now, let's talk about investing wisely. There's a world of investment options out there, from stocks and real estate to mutual funds. The key is to start investing early and make your money work for you. But what about increasing your income? There are countless opportunities to earn more, whether that's through a side job, career advancement, or even starting your own business. Remember, every extra dollar is another soldier in your wealth-building army. Of course, saving and reducing debt should be high on your list. Prioritize saving and focus on paying off high-interest debts. Financial stability paves the way to financial freedom. Don't forget about the importance of financial education. Arm yourself with knowledge about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Making informed decisions is the cornerstone of financial success. And finally, patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are fortunes. Building wealth takes time and discipline. It's crucial to avoid get-rich-quick schemes, as they often lead to financial losses rather than gains. So while the promise of becoming rich in just 30 days might be enticing, it's crucial to have realistic expectations. Focus on long-term financial planning, and remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint.